Hello and welcome to SAP Analytics Cloud tutorial with me Anubhav on anubhavtrainings.com. In this session, we will discuss about how to create bullet charts in SAP Analytics Cloud. In my last video, I have shown you how to create threshold at a story level and how to utilize threshold when it comes to showcasing the data inside a table. As a continuation of that, we have a population data and we are going to convert that to a bullet chart. So what is a bullet chart? A bullet chart is actually a scale. On the scale of the data, you are going to detect or point out your measure values. As you can see in this example, we have the population of each country on a scale, and this scale is built by a threshold level. Anything which is below 20 million is considered to be good. Anything between 20 million to 1 billion is considered to be a warning or a yellow, and then anything above 1 billion is a critical one. So you can see the countries are being marked on this scale, same scale, with a different values. So this is what we have a bullet chart. So let me switch over to our system to create such a bullet chart. Remember, it is mandatory to have a threshold value created for creating a bullet chart. I'm going to click on the insert of chart and we're going to switch it over to a bullet chart. Just bring it down a little bit to visualize it better and maximize our bullet chart. Switch it over to the left side and let's go ahead and provide the required measures, attributes and threshold levels. So I'm going to select and choose the measure as my population value. I'm going to select dimension as the country. And of course, as we already defined a threshold, I'm just going to go and grab that threshold value. And there you go. You can see now on the scale of 20 million, 1 billion, the population of each country is marked over here with that on the same scale. That's your bullet chart. Maybe right now I just wanted to filter only top 5 countries. So we can also go back to top N and apply a filter only on top 5. Click on enter and you would see the data would change and only showcase you the top 5 countries on the same scale. So that's how exactly you can create a bullet chart using SAP Analytics Cloud. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For detailed training on SAP Analytics Cloud, feel free to subscribe our training on anubhavtrainings.com with many case studies, and also you will understand the depth of these topics in terms of SAP Analytics Cloud. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.